Solana, the token with current supply around 480 million. The first thing we can notice special about this coins, that is Circle one of the companies have a big effect on stable coins, is also one of the founders of Solana. Solana have a very intelligent team that created advanced blockchain technology that solve the scalability problem in cryptocurrencies. And the best thing here that this technology is real, not like any other cryptocurrency. When you go and check their white paper, all what you can see is promises and promises. But the special thing about Solana here is the promises of other cryptocurrency is the fact and an actual technology with real application. In addition to, they solve the problem that Ethereum is trying to solve, which is the scalability and the gas fees, which is so important for NFTs market. And we will know after a couple minutes the effect of this on Solana price. So a lot of people can rely on Sol, starting from the banking industry to gaming industry. Example, US now is issuing some of its supply on Solana blockchain due to the transaction fees, which is the cheapest. And that's because of the new consistent, which is the proof of history. Let's make the verification on the network is the fastest. Sol as a project and as a team, they are truly amazing. You can see their open source code on GitHub and the recent projects being built on Solana blockchain, and you can do the rest of your researches on it. But we will speak about the most important ones right now. I will cover everything else in another video. So it's $73 today, and then after pumping from $45 to $81, you can see that huge railing, and without even being at the top of bull run phase we are into. As we can see in this bull run from couple months ago, the all attention was on BNB, the first competitor of Ethereum. That's what I can see right now with Solana and Polkadot. If you really like this video, I would make another video on full analyzing Sol, walking through their source code and their team, and I would like to make another video on top competitors of Ethereum and their future. But for now, let's see why the recent pump. Did it really get the attention it needed? Degenerate Ape Academy, a hub for non-fungible tokens aka NFTs, was launched on the Sol platform. Within days of its launch, 1,691 owners have flocked to the Degenerate Ape platform, with 3,555 NFTs currently for sale. Buyers and sellers have already transacted NFTs worth 137,000 Sol, equivalent to about $10 million in today's price. Solana Foundation, the company behind the token, is currently partnering with Chainlink Labs to develop crypto options trading solutions. In addition, the Solana Foundation has partnerships with Tether, as we said earlier, and Terraform Labs, the company behind Terra, and that's why it was also pumping at the time Solana was pumping, to bring stable coins onto its network for decentralized app developers to use. The NFTs are really overpowered, it can pump anything to the moon just like that. And in addition to it, Mango Markets, the decentralized exchange that built on Sol blockchain, raised $70 million in funds. Of course, after all that, the FOMO start kicking in, and with the first big green candle closing near the all-time high, everyone starts to buying. But I don't think this is FOMO yet, because Solana was undervalued from the beginning. I can Sol being at top 5 in ranks easily, which require her to be at least 65 billion in market cap. So I think even when Solana is at $73, it could be easily $220. So it's not done yet. Me as myself, I increase my positions in Solana through dollar cost averaging, as I said in the last video, since mid-June when it was $39 till the last month when it was $28, and of course I sold some at $75 as taking profits, because I have more token I need to invest into. But this is not a financial advice. I could be right and I could be wrong, and since ADA and Sol, the top competitors of Ethereum, are pumping, I can see Polkadot gonna have a piece in this cake. But remember, this is not financial advice. Just keep your eyes open. Until the next time, goodbye.